turn to tonight's medical rounds. If you suffer from neck and spine pain, you know how debilitating that pain can be. But there are some ways to help manage it. And joining us live now is Dr. Jesse Eisler, an orthopedic surgeon at Hartford Healthcare Bone and Joint Institute at Hartford Hospital. Good evening, Dr. Eisler. Thanks for being here tonight.
Good evening.
Well, you probably know better than anyone that as we age, we can begin to feel the effects of that on our spine. What happens during the aging process?
Well, the thing about aging spine is that it starts at an unfortunately young age. The disc that separates the bones in the spine at each level is the first tissue to start degenerating, and it can start at age 18 or even earlier. And that process can set up conditions that can be very painful for us. We can get leg pain from a herniated disc, we can get back pain, we can have debilitating symptoms that last weeks and months and even years sometimes. We can also get deformities of the spine because of degeneration of these discs.
That's very interesting. I didn't know about the age of 18. How important is the role of bone density in maybe limiting some of this pain?
As the population ages, we are seeing people live older and older. And in fact, people will be in the population over 65 as great as the population under 18 in 20 years. And what happens is the bone that we put on our bodies, on our bones, is the bone quality only maximizes itself between ages 25 to 30. So if you think about Mount Everest as the peak of bone, that's really starts at 25 to 30, and then after that we're barring bone density and bone quality. So we have to keep in mind that we need to maintain bone strength throughout our years if we're living longer and longer. And we need to do that with exercise, sunshine, and vitamin D.
All right, you just answered my follow-up question. That was excellent. What are some of the treatment options offered at the Hartford Healthcare Bone and Joint Institute?
The Hartford Healthcare Bone and Joint Institute is a comprehensive center under one roof that can help us understand our condition, come to a proper diagnosis, and when necessary, give the appropriate treatments such as nutritional counseling, whether it's understanding the need to eat more whole grains and limit animal proteins, as well as alternative treatments for posture training, such as things like Alexander technique, and certainly physical therapy, and certainly we'll offer state-of-the-art surgery technology.
All right, a comprehensive approach. We thank you so much, Dr. Eisler. Great information tonight.